Hello everyone. In this lecture of Digital Electronics series, we are going to discuss one more very important topic of digital electronics, that is duality theorem. The duality theorem in Boolean algebra states that if a Boolean equation is true or valid, then the dual of the equation is also true or valid. Now let us see how to find the dual of a Boolean equation. In any Boolean equation, replace logical or plus with logical and or dot. Replace dot with logical or plus. Replace 1 with 0 and replace 0 with 1. Let us understand the topic with the help of one example. This is the example 1. A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C, and this is the original equation. Now to determine the duality or dual of this equation, replace dot with plus and replace plus with dot. Now the equation will be A plus B dot C is equal to A plus B dot A plus C. This is the dual of the original expression. Let us take one more example. A dot B plus A complement dot C plus B dot C is equal to A dot B plus A complement dot C. This is the original expression. Now replace all dot with plus and replace all plus with dot. The expression will be A plus B dot A complement plus C dot B plus C is equal to A plus B dot A bar plus C. Now we have tabulated some of the most important laws and rules of Boolean algebra. The first column is the serial number, second one is the law, third one is the original expression, and the last one is the dual of the expression. For digital electronics, the books which I prefer or I suggest my students are the Fundamental of Digital Electronics or Digital Circuits by Anand Kumar, and the second book is Fundamental of Digital Electronics by Floyd. Now this book will definitely help you for your competitive examination, for your semester examination, for GATE examination, for NET examination. You can find these books on Amazon also. You can find this book on bookstore also.